सर
प्लीज क्लिक फोटोग्राफ।
सर ऐसे लगाओ।
हाँ
बाल मानो।
In the summer 2017, Indian and Chinese troops engaged in a 2-month-long standoff in Doklam, a disputed area near Sikkim. In May 2020, the soldiers of both the nations again clashed at Galwan Valley in Ladakh. Despite talks that helped ease tensions, the mood is still far from normal. Moreover, to avoid any untoward incident, both the countries have increased its troops along the border. The simmering dispute triggered a clamor for boycotting Chinese products in India. In August 2017, the RSS launched an awareness drive that saw lakhs of citizens pledge to boycott Chinese goods. Some market associations also vowed to stop import or trade of Chinese goods. The Narendra Modi government, which could not outrightly ban Chinese products, asked the people to make India Atmanirbhar or self-reliant. But after so much clamor, the question now is, has India really boycotted Chinese goods? Data put out by the Directorate General of Commercial Intelligence and Statistics shows that in 2016 to 2017, before the Doklam standoff, India's imports from China were worth over $61.3 billion. Surprisingly, in 2017 to 2018, imports from the country hit a record of $76.4 billion. In 2018 to 2019, it came down to $70.3 billion. In 2019 to 2020, imports took a hit due to the COVID-19 pandemic as it was at $65.3 billion. Despite this drop, China still topped India's list of imports. In the aftermath of Galwan Valley clashes, the Indian government banned several apps having Chinese investments. But trade seemed to go on without much ado as 2020 to 2021 recorded $66.7 billion worth imports from China. One can easily say that pandemic-induced barriers were a major reason for this drop rather than the clamor. However, in 2021, India's trade with China in just the first half of the year rose by a record 62.7% and surpassed pre-pandemic levels. Besides imports, Chinese smartphone brands continue to dominate the Indian market. Soon after the Galwan clash, anti-India sentiments coupled with the pandemic saw their market share drop to 72% in 2020. However, according to Counterpoint Research, Chinese brands including Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo and Realme control 81% of India's smartphone market in 2021, which is an all-time high. In just the first half of the year, Chinese brands held 79% share in India's smartphone market. Xiaomi led the market with a 28% share, followed by Samsung at 18%, Vivo and Realme at 15% and Oppo at 10%. China-based Realme became the fastest brand in India to reach 50 million smartphone shipments. It was also the top 5G smartphone brand with a 23% market share. Despite all the clamor to boycott Chinese products, China continues to remain India's largest import market and the second largest export market after the US. For now, the anti-China sentiments seem to be only rhetoric. India will need to do a lot more to truly become Atmanirbhar and stop imports from China, especially in the electronics and pharmaceutical sectors. A Federal Report.